Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick rundown on how to add Google Analytics to your website. So you would go on to uh, Google Analytics, analytics.google.com, and if it's your first time, it'll ask you to create an account. So here we would, create an account here, and I will get that set up. I put in an account name. I go down. You can keep all these checked. That's fine. You're gonna hit next. It's gonna ask you what you want to measure. For the most part, we're just trying to measure a website. So we do this and go down. This is in beta. I have not tested it yet. It'll measure app and a website, but we're going to go ahead and do the first one. The website name, and we can put that in. So I got a website name, I got a URL, industry other, because they don't have a religious industry, a reporting time zone. Time zone for in this case is Connecticut, so it would be New York Standard Time, or Eastern, obviously. And it's going to go through a terms of service. You're going to hit yes. You're going to go down again, hit more terms of service, and accept. And then we are on our way. So now you've created an account on the back end here on Google. And the next step will be to grab the code that it's going to give you. So we have the code, we see it here, so now we have to get it onto the website. So now we're going to jump to the website and kind of show you guys what you need to do and some options there. So now that I'm in the back end of the website, what I'm going to do, the simplest way to do it is to add a new plugin. There's a way to put it in the code, and the hard way to do it, but for the sake of just easiness, we are going to just find the plugin, and I'll show you how easy it is. So we have our plugin here, Google Analytics. We install it. Once it gets installed, we activate it, and again, it's going to be pretty simple and pretty easy. Activate it, and once you activate it, it's going to come up here under Tools. Wrong. It's going to come up here under Settings or Tools. Yep, there it is. Settings. So what it's going to ask here, it's going to say how to use. We don't need to read all that, but you can if you want. It's going to say get tracking ID. All we need is this tracking ID right here. And we can see here that we're using a global site tag. So it's going to ask for that here. So it's going to say global site tag. We'll click that, put that user ID in. Perfect. We're live. That is it. It's really simple how to do it that way. So if you guys have any questions, there's a way, again, to hard code it. To hard code it would be to come into Appearance, Theme Editor, and go into the back end of the website and actually hard code it into the theme of the site. So you can do that if you have a child theme. But anytime you do that and you don't have a child theme, it'll remove that once the theme gets updated. So it's best to use something like this Google Analytics plugin in the meantime. But if there are any questions, let me know. Thank you guys for watching.